In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on ADA future while talking about Cardano cost estimate for 2023 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like ADA. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the Cardano value forecast and answer questions in the event that Cardano is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will ADA succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will ADA value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is Cardano and its to-date history. What is Cardano? Cardano is a decentralized organization based on blockchain innovation that likewise has its own coin named ADA. Notwithstanding the famous Cardano digital money, the Cardano network empowers savvy contracts and decentralized applications on its harmless to the ecosystem programming, while at the same time keeping up with the security gave by comparative blockchain. Cardano value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of enormous industry players into the situation, the horizon is cloudy and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and central evaluation of each venture. Basics that we assess are group tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023-04-20 plus 5.41% $0 4641-2023-04 21 plus 6.84% $0 4704-2023-04 221.74% $0 4327-2023-04 23 plus 1.79% $0 4482-2023-04 24 plus 5.05% $0 4625-2023-04 25 plus 4.43% $0 4598-2023-04 263.71% $0 4240-2023-04 273.01% $0 4270-2023-04 282.64% $0 4287-2023-04 293.31% $0 4257-2023-04 305.72% 41 cents. Cardano value forecast 2023. High expansion and very perilous large-scale circumstance pondered vigorously. Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inside crypto issues with large players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will most likely see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds appropriately. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 May 21.33% $0 3464 2023 June 32.39% $0 2977 2023 Joel 20.46% $0 3502 2023 AUG 19.25% $0 3556 2023 Sep 6.74% $0 4106 2023 Oct plus 5.55% $0 4647 2023 NOV plus 12.59% $0 4957 2023 DEC plus 17.62% $0 5179 2024 Jan plus 27.78% $0 $0.5626-2024 Feb plus 37.85% $0 $6070-2024 Blemish plus 47.60% $0 $6499-2024 APRA plus 51.50% 66 cents ADA Value Forecast 2025. Our expectation model sees ADA coming to $1.08 in 2025. What will ADA be worth in 5 years? The cost of ADA in 5 years could lie around $1.02. Cardano value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Cardano will be worth in 2030. Our determining model sees Cardano coming to $2.70 in 2030. What Cardano will be worth in 2040. Our gauging model sees Cardano coming to $5.39 in 2040. Will Cardano supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, Cardano won't supplant or surpass BTC. Might Cardano at any point reach $10? Indeed, Cardano could reach $10 toward the finish of 2025. Could Cardano at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Cardano to reach $100 in the short or midterm period. Might Cardano at any point reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Cardano to reach $1,000 in the short or midterm period. Is Cardano worth purchasing? We are promoters of decently hazardous money management. Put the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bushel of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little undertakings with colossal potential gain. Thus, in this unique situation, Cardano merits purchasing. Is Cardano a wise venture? Cardano is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, a hazardous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Cardano be worth? For the transient future, it could reach 25 cents. In the long haul, it could leap to $2.70 or much higher. For what reason will Cardano succeed and become more expensive? Cardano has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Cardano ascending to $2.70 in 2030. For what reason will Cardano fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects come up short because of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any and all authority and forsakes the venture, controllers announce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more fruitful contenders, absence of all-around planned advertising technique, losing local area support, expected weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development movement on the convention, neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation. How high will Cardano go? Our estimating model sees Cardano value detonating and coming to $5.39 in a far-off future. What is the momentary expectation for Cardano? Cardano will reach 25 cents in the following 90 days, which is a 41.8% change over the ongoing cost, which floats around 44 cents. Could Cardano at any point make you a mogul? Indeed, assuming you purchase enormous enough amount of it.